This is why I do bird photography. Right here. This is just absolutely gorgeous. One of the videos recently on my channel, I was out here doing some panoramic photography at Lake Sampsonvale here in Queensland, Australia. The last time I was here, I was surprised at the amount of bird life that was here, and they were everywhere. I saw about 10 different species. I just had to come back out here with the D850 with the 80 to 400mm lens just to see what I could see. Because the last time I was here, I had rainbow bee-eaters, I had eastern yellow robins, I had so many different things. I had kingfishers, double-barred finches, little brown honey-eaters, fairy wrens everywhere. Just amazing. So yeah, I thought I'd come back out and give it a shot and just see what I could see. Look, it may work, it may not, you know. Looks like there's a bit of action down here. I could hear them. Let's go down and have a look. I've just got a little blue fairy wren here. I'm just going to stay dead still and see if he can come straight at me. Just single point autofocus. He's just hiding in behind the grass here. The foliage is so thick. Come on, there's two of them. Two fairy wrens in here. There's a blue one and a brown one. Gosh, I've never seen one like this before actually. It's just the foliage is so dense here and I'm trying to get a clear shot. It's really difficult. But this little blue fairy wren, I've never seen that guy before. He had a full blue head, but he actually had a little red stripe behind his head. Here he is. These guys, they are so fast. This guy is like lightning. He is literally like lightning. He moves that quickly. I think this little guy is one that got away. Oh, I really wish I would have got a picture of that one. I've never seen that type of thing with a fairy wren before, but he had a really intense full blue head with a red stripe right behind his neck. I haven't seen one like that. I really wanted to photograph. Unfortunately, the shots that I got just aren't good enough. Getting too slow in my old age. Anyway, continue on around the lake, see what else we can find. This is the red and black fairy wren that I saw the other day. I think the official name is a red-backed fairy wren. I saw that little guy around here the other day when I was doing that Pano sunset. These red-backed fairy wrens, I have shot them once before. I shot them up at a place called Medina. They were around the ocean side. There's a whole big group of them. Right here. There's a blue one. I saw before that I didn't get, and I finally got a clear shot of him or her, so I'm happy about that. I think this is the eastern yellow robin. It is. Red-backed fairy wren. Just single point autofocus right on top of its head. He's singing. I was really excited to get that because it had a nice purple flower background That's the redback fairy wren. He was just having a good sing right there in front of me. Now before, I saw the eastern yellow robin come through here as well. But this really is a hive for all the fairy wrens. I mean, it's just built for them. This is where they feed, where they hang out, where they mate. Got another beautiful afternoon out here at Lake Sampsonvale. Looks like it's going to be a really beautiful sunset too. Anyway, we'll continue on and look for more of these birds around this other little alcove that I was filming in the other afternoon. So, north, Miss Testmarker, north, north. This guy is getting all this bark off this paperbark tree. Obviously he's making a nest. He was getting all the ingredients for a nest. We've got paperbark trees here, and it's the perfect thing for them because the bark strips are really thick, and it's perfect, you know, to keep their nests weatherproof. Guys, you're not going to believe this. I was chasing that eastern yellow robin, and I was just walking along the track, and next thing, bang, right to my left, looking at me, and it's got a nest right here, and it's protecting its young. This is just nature, absolutely stunningly beautiful. This is why I do bird photography. Right here. This is just absolutely gorgeous. It's a fantastic thing about spring. Birds are either making their nests or they've got their nests just built. And I was so lucky, I was just walking along this trail, and here's this little eastern yellow robin going like this at me. It's like, don't you come near my babies. It's like, no, I won't come near your babies, it's okay. So yeah, got my shots and moved on. But really stunning. That's why I love nature so much, it's fantastic. There's five black cormorants sitting on this dead tree. This is the tree that I was using to photograph when I was down here last time. They haven't seen me yet. They're just sitting on that tree, just enjoying the sun. Just saw one of those blue sacred kingfishers fly along here, and I'm pretty sure that's his nest right there. On top of that, I have a feeling we've got something like a kangaroo or a wallaby here or something in the grass, because it keeps moving every time I move. It's either that or just probably the local Lake Sampsonvale serial killer. Nothing to see here, folks. Got something up in this tree. Just having a feed on these grevilleas. It's a honey eater. This is the absolute beauty about Australia. You know, we have such a diverse wildlife, specifically such a diverse bird species. We really are spoilt for choice here in Australia when it comes to bird life. Well, what a fantastic afternoon here at Lake Sampson Vale in Queensland, Australia for some bird photography. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate your support and the way you leave all those comments. It really does drive me to keep going and doing better. As I always say, never stop creating. Grab a hold of those cameras, get out there and just go and create. I'll see you next time.